I'm here to network, build long-lasting relationships right there here in LA County and in the Inland Empire. Thank you.
My name is Ed Berlinski. I'm the hard money lender to fix and flippers of single-family homes.
Hi, I'm Greg Johnson. Basically, I've been a commercial investor and broker for a long time. Right now, I'm building houses. But this is the kind of thing that I like to buy. This is the kind of thing I used to buy. Basically, I've always been an added value commercial investor. And most of the properties we bought were very distressed. A lot of them came from banks. A lot of them were short banks. This is the kind of deal that gets me excited. This is a building in Fort Worth, Texas. The tallest building in the city. 3 years ago, it sold for